Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up Google Play payments. If you didn't know, there are so many Google Play payments that you can payment method that you can use or set. So I'm going to show you how. So first, go to the profile icon at the top to your profile icon, and then click on payments and subscription, the third one here, and you'll see the payment methods at the top. Just select that. Okay, so here there are so many Google Play payments method that you can use. There are credit card, or your bill or your provider billing, or the electronic or the cashless, or the e-money that you can use, for example. So you can just select one of them, and to set it up, you can just, for example, you want to add a credit or debit card, just click on this, and later you can just click on your card number here and click on save. And you can also choose the other payment. For example, this is the uh, e-wallet from my country. You can just click on continue, and you'll be directed to your to its application. So you can just choose one of these. Okay, so that is how you can set up Google Play payments. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.